In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change page transitions in Wix. Page transitions control how one page moves to the next. And even though it's a small detail, it can really help make your website feel more polished and professional. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in Editor X or Wix Studio. Once your site is open in the editor, head to the top toolbar and look for Site Styles. Click on it to open your global design settings. Inside Site Styles, find the option labeled Page Transitions. This is where you'll choose how your pages animate when users navigate your site. You'll see a few different options, including None, which removes animations completely and switches pages instantly. Or you can select smoother options like Fade Transitions, where one page fades out and the next fades in, creating a more seamless browsing experience. Depending on your editor version, you may also see sliding or cross-fade effects, so feel free to test a few and see which matches your site's vibe. Once you've chosen your preferred transition, make sure to publish your site so the changes apply live. Preview is helpful, but publishing ensures the full animation displays correctly for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully updated your page transitions in Wix. A simple change like this can really enhance your site's flow and user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.